How to delete download on Android. Hey everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So simply find your files. For my device, it is in my Samsung folder. Simply open my files and then you can choose your images or videos, whatever file you want. Then tap on it. Here you will see the option delete. Tap on it and it will be moved to recycle bin. In order to clear from recycle bin, simply tap on recycle bin and all the files that are in your recycle bin will appear over here and you can just clear your bin. This will free up your space and make your device more spacious for new files. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.